Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
At this point, all the major components of the rocket are complete. We want to do a final inspection, do any last minute sanding before we put the primer on, and then start painting. This is your last chance. A good surface finish really depends on what is underneath. So double check, make sure you look over it really careful, sand anything that might look rough. If you can feel it with your fingers, it's rough, go ahead and sand it, like this little piece right here where the seam comes together. As I said previously, I love to use these little files. There's two kinds. There's the hasp file, which has the little serrated lines in it, and then there's the emery board type files. Both of them are really good. The emery board ones are good for taking off a lot of material, and then when you're ready to do really fine work, these hasp files work really well to get really smooth. Okay, so that's what we're going to do, and then go ahead and put the primer on. If you need something else to do, one of the things today, unfortunately, is raining outside, so I can't do primer. So I'm going to go ahead and start the simulated display nozzles that go on the back of the rocket. So if you can't prime, this is a good time to work ahead.